place in Bihar earlier this year, and what we're learning right now is that SIR preparations are underway pan-India, and top-level meetings took place yesterday to discuss about the progress as far as SIR is concerned. The additional CEO, Deputy CEO addressed ADMs and EROs of the districts via the VC to discuss about the process of the BLO appointment, continuous activity in different districts today from the office of CEO in West Bengal. So this is a breaking update we are getting for you as far as the special intensive revision is concerned. Remember, it took place in Bihar earlier this year. There was a massive uproar over that as well. Now, what we are learning is that now the survey will also take place in West Bengal as well. And the top-level meeting took place yesterday to discuss about the progress as far as this is concerned. There was a meeting in which the additional CEOs, deputy CEOs, they addressed the additional district magistrates and the other officers of the districts, several districts, and there is a progress there in that area as well. I'm joined by Gopi, Prakash and Anirudh. Let me go across to Gopi first. Gopi, firstly, let me bring in Sarda as well. Sarda, let's talk about the SIR progress. We're learning that there is going to be a pan-India survey that will now be conducted after what happened in Bihar, now pan-India. What more are you learning?
Well, especially in the state of Tamil Nadu, the DMK has already gone along with the Rahul Gandhis and others in Bihar last week against the Vote Adhikar Yatra, now saying that the SIR should not be implemented in the state of Tamil Nadu. Looking at the elections in just 7 months, the DMK is making very sure that the centre is not implementing SIR, especially here. However, it seems that their steps would become futile as the Election Commission of India has now decided to make it pan-India to make sure and check whether a person has only one single vote either in the state of Bihar or Tamil Nadu or West Bengal for that matter. And in that case, DMK might lose big if this is implemented, especially in the state of Tamil Nadu, because as you see, of the 3 lakh migrants living in the state of Tamil Nadu from Bihar, 2 lakhs already have voter IDs in both Tamil Nadu and Bihar, and it's expected that either their voter IDs will be either cancelled in Tamil Nadu or in Bihar. While they claim that this is an act of the BJP, DMK on the other hand also make sure that the SIR cannot be implemented in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Absolutely, and that is a stand that has been taken by the DMK. Let me now bring in my colleague Gopi, who's been tracking this story from the national capital. Gopi, there was a massive uproar when the survey was taking place in the state of Bihar. We're learning that now it will take place in West Bengal as well, and then pan-India as well. Take us through the war of words and what the opposition parties mainly objected to.
Well, in fact, Akanksha, time and again we have seen and we have also been seeing this, that how a legal battle is also going on at the Supreme Court. But apart from that, if you look at the opposition parties and if you look at the SIR data which has been released by the ECI, you will realize that there have been so many duplicate voters. Apart from the duplicate voters, there were so many, over 22 lakh people who were deceased. So this is the need of an hour, and the opposition needs to understand this. Well, time and again opposition has always raised this issue that there are voters, there are legitimate voters who will be cut because of this, but ECI has in fact assured that that is not going to happen, as it is an intensive exercise which they are doing. There is verification and cross verification happening, but as you've mentioned, let's tell our viewers that just it was yesterday that there was a final decision on BLO's list was prepared by the CEO of West Bengal. So what we are learning from our sources is that there is a possibility that SIR will be implemented in West Bengal soon. But yes, currently I'm standing right outside the India International Institute of Democracy and Election Management, where the crucial meeting is underway. And to tell our viewers that CEO, the chief electoral officers from all the states and union territories have are inside. They are meeting Gyanesh Kumar, who is the CEC, and what we are learning from our sources is that nationwide rollout is expected on the basis of how they are presenting, how much is their preparedness, how much are the states and union territories prepared for the SIR. Back to you.
Absolutely. In fact, there's political as well as the legal fight. But Gopi, keep track of those details. Let me now bring in my colleague Anirudh, who's been tracking the details from Guwahati. As far as the Chief Minister of Assam is concerned, he has time and again said that there are many bogus voters in Assam as well, and there is a need for the SIR in Assam. How will that pan out in the state? Take us through those details.
Yes, in fact, the government of Assam has made it very clear that SIR is the need of the hour as far as the state is concerned. And given the fact that there has been a massive demographic shift in various districts of Assam, and we have also seen the eviction drives which still continues across the state. Keeping in view that these eviction drives are being carried out across the state and in places where, illegal settlers have been settled for more than 10, 15 or 20 years. In some places they have been there for as long as 3 decades. So yes, but they have also genuine votes in some other place of the state. So yes, there are very high chances that there will be many bogus voters as such in the case of Assam too. And there has been a systematic approach to change the demographic pattern of the state. So keeping in view all these factors and the Chief Minister's very statement that from the area where eviction drive have been carried out in those areas, the name of the evicted people should also be deleted from the voter list. Keeping all this in view, if the special intensive review of the voter list happens in the state of Assam, then definitely there will be many deletion in such cases, particularly in places like Upper Assam, where we have witnessed eviction drive where at least 10,000, 20,000 people have been evicted in Golaghat, or be it Lakhimpur, be it Biswanath, or even places like Gwalpara, where we have seen that people from Dhuburi and Barbeta district have shifted and have not only made it to the voter list, but also they have been enjoying all the benefits in 2 districts. So yes, definitely the SIR, if it happens in Assam, then definitely it will have a mass impact. And given the fact that the state is also going to the elections in all likelihood in the month of April next year, so right. Yes, it will be noteworthy to observe what the political